Welcome back to Sailing UV, the greatest sailing show on earth. Damn, I had something for this. Seriously, thanks for joining us. I hope you enjoyed the episode. I think this week we just cut out a big part of the boat to make it just a little more comfortable and livable while we're stuck here on it or whatever, before we get into some of these bigger upgrades. And drag you guys along to work with me to show you some what we got going on there. I do have a lot more cool footage of stuff we're doing at work coming up, but we're not there yet. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe, like it, and share it if you do enjoy it. And yeah, enjoy the show. All right, so this is driving me nuts. This the dividing wall and the head, to where you're basically in this weird little hobbit hole doing your business or whatever. I just want it gone. I just want this gone. So I'm gonna get rid of it. We're just trying to make this boat more comfortable for the time being. When I start getting the parts I really need in and can start putting money into building materials, we'll really start to do some cool shit on this boat. For now, I'm just trying to make it more comfortable and livable, guys. That's really all it is. And with what I got and with what's in the boat and little changes I can make. So that's what I'm doing. The transmission's a few payments away yet. They just tacked on another 1,000 in interest or whatever. So it makes me again 2 more payments away, when I thought for the last month I had 2 more payments and she's ours. Well, now, you know, anyways, it's here and there. I'm just gonna keep plugging away with whatever I can do to make my life a little more comfortable while I'm here waiting to get this stuff done. I mean, you guys get it, right? So let's get at it. Let's get at it. Of course, I don't know if you guys can see down there, that trim wasn't glued on it. Why would it be? It's not like is the edge of your sink or anything, and you don't want water running down there in between. Whatever, guys. Nothing has been done right on here, ever has it? So okay, this is my plan. I'm going to cut it here. I'm going to cut it here. Pull this crap out. Put some trim on that shit and call it a day. We already got that piece of trim by using this right here, and then I got some other trim I'm going to put right here. Bob's your uncle, whatever. So let's do this. Let's get noisy. Is that in the way? No. Of course, I have no clear safety glasses. What's these darkies will have to do? No, do not fall back in there. Cannot have that happen. It's gonna be tough. Whoopsie. Alright, now we go this way. That is literally all I wanted to do. I'm going to clean this big mess up, put everything back together, and we have an open, more of an, sorry, equipment malfunction. We have more of an open space here, something to hold on to get up, sit down, because before you were just like in between two walls hoping for the best, pretty much falling back onto the, you know, and it's already weird that you gotta step up here to sit there with a very narrow spot for your feet. I hope you can hear me all right. I'm the worst. I only intended to set up a time lapse, guys, just to time lapse it and then narrate it, and here I am talking to you guys because I can't help myself. I hope it's not terrible. Anyways, I'm gonna put that piece of trim back on. This is good enough for now. It's good enough for me. This is way better than what it was. I could not stand it. I could not stand being in that area for any amount of time at all whatsoever, even just to stand there for 5-10 seconds, do your business. It was like, just, I don't know how to explain it. Not for me. I don't mind tight spaces, but this is not, I mean, this is where I'm living or whatever right now. I want it to be comfortable. Sue me, you know? Okay, we're gonna clean this mess up, and I'll bring you guys back for that when we're done after. Hope you guys are having a good weekend. It's Saturday. Let's see what day it is. It's the 29. Oh, it's the 29th of November. November 29th. So hopefully you had a great Thanksgiving too. Hey, I'll talk to you in a minute. I don't want to get thinking about pumpkin pie and stuff. Damn it. Nope, here's the finished product. Back in action. And guys, it's just so much easier. I know no one wants to see this, but it's like, can you imagine sitting here before? Like, let me set you up over here somewhere. You could imagine before you had to climb in here between these two walls and like, hope you didn't fall back onto this thing. Now you've got this. You can actually sit in here, I don't know, and you can get up and you have something to hold on to. Probably can't hear me. I can't get that. I got the Rode mic that's wireless and I cannot get it to work with the damn GoPro. Every time I try to figure it out, granted, I'm trying to grab the camera and start filming. So we're gonna shut this off. I'm gonna sit down with those stupid ass mics and I'm gonna figure this out right now. So next time you see me, the Rode mic's gonna be clipped on here and you'll be able to hear me from anywhere instead of this. Because I don't hate this, I love this, but I'd like to be able to, you know, have some conversations with the camera mounted other places to where you can see what's all going on and I can still talk to you. So we'll get it, guys. We're getting it. The footage lately has gotten better. This was a last minute thing. This is not something I had planned to do today. You know what I was planning to do today? I gotta put this little check valve, joker valve in there. And I was about to do that, and I was thinking about getting down in here and doing that, and I'm like, I'm not getting down in that tight ass spot in here where I hate it and doing this until this is out of the way, so I can actually have, like, I don't know, whatever. That's out of the way now. So much more open, so much more comfy. What a difference it made. I don't know, to me that's a huge difference. So it's better. It was totally free other than my time. Talk to you guys later. morning. You guys are special. I usually don't talk to anyone in the morning when I just woke up before I've had coffee or anything. So this is it. This is me rolling unfiltered. I'm not happy right now because it's 7 a.m. on a Saturday. I haven't had coffee, but I'm gonna throw some instant coffee in here. I'm gonna have that, and I'm gonna fill up the percolator and drink my crappy instant coffee while this thing takes us 10 freaking minutes to make some coffee. But we're going up the hill here to help a dock neighbor today with some projects at their house. So let's get woke up, eat some food, and do that. I'll talk to you guys soon. Oh, morning, guys. I think the last thing you saw was me brushing my teeth. It's Saturday, December like 6th or something like that. It's that week. I don't know. Hold on. It's the 6th. I nailed it. How about that? I know what day it is. We're just leaving the marina. It's way over there. The boat's way over there. I'd say from here to the boat, there's about a quarter mile of a walk to the main parking lot. We don't get access to the marina parking lot because we're still transient at ridiculous money per day. Violet's back there in her little bed, taking it easy. She's on her heat cycle, so she's moody and extra lazy. You girls probably get it, I don't know. Yeah, anyways, we're heading up to a dock neighbor's house to help some projects around there, like we've been doing most Saturdays, or every... I thought it died, sorry. Like we've been doing most Saturdays, or every Saturday that we, you know, we're not busy with work stuff or boat stuff or whatever. Or whenever they need, whatever they need. So, they're great people. I'm very lucky to be surrounded by some pretty great people. Could you stop, please? Quit pawing at me. She thinks I'm talking to her. All this time talking to the GoPro, and she still thinks Daddy's talking to her over here. So, yeah. Anyways, Violet, could you stop? I have to be petting you the whole time? Ow! 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 Oh! I had to be petting her. If my hand's not busy steering, even if it is steering half the time, I could be driving. She don't care. She just pawing at me anyways. You're gonna make us wreck. You're gonna make us wreck one of these days. She won't though. She's usually pretty good about it when I'm driving. She does it very lightly. It's very silly, but I digress. We're heading up to the dock neighbors to help them out with some stuff, do some stuff around their house and property there. So yeah, I don't know. Let's go do that. Good morning. It's Monday, December the 8th. We're just waking up here on the boat. It's 6 a.m. Just getting ready for work. Get over to the boatyard here and do some work. I hope you can hear me all right. The air fryer's going in the background. Violet's passed out right here. She is not ready to be up. Can you really blame her? Morning. Getting ready to go into work. Someone's not happy about it. There you go, girl. So I've got the heat cranked to get it warm in there for her before I go into work. She knows when I'm going in to do work, and she is not happy about it. They've got a guy in here that does the cosmetic warranty work for Chris Craft. I'm learning a lot from him. It's awesome. This is an Osprey we're repowering. We're going to pull the V8, the outdrive, put an outboard bracket on it, and a 350 horsepower Yamaha. we'll have more footage of that coming up in videos pretty soon. It looks like this is where we'll have to wrap up this week's video. Be sure to subscribe and like it if you did, and if you really like it, you can always join the crew over on patreon.com. There's a link in the description below. Thanks so much for being here and watching. We will see you next week.